My name's Katie. Today we are going to make our own butter chicken recipe. First we add the spices into a jar. You need nutmeg, turmeric, cumin and salt and pepper all in the jar. Next up we need to cut up the onion and chicken. Oh, Mum cooked a banana cake. Well, after cutting a few tears cutting up the onion, now the chicken and onion are all cut up. Next, we have to stir the flavourings together. Then we have to sprinkle it all over the chicken. Then we have to mix the chicken and the flavouring all together. Then we have to let the chicken sit in the fridge for a while to let the flavouring soak into the chicken. Oh, I forgot to say, the recipe will be in the description down below. Well, next step, we need to melt the butter and cook the onion and the garlic. Looking good now. It looks like the onion is getting soft. Time to add the chicken. We have doubled the recipe because we have people coming over for dinner. So in the recipe, in the description down below, we will be doubling the half of this recipe. Well, next step we need to add tomato paste, the ground masala, chili, as much chili ground as you want, and the fresh cream. We cook the white rice under the butter chicken and we put a pinch of coriander on the top. Now it's time to taste test. Best curry ever.